This story began way back in 2009, when there was a digitization of the State Museum of Fine Arts. Then, as an experimental project, an interactive three-dimensional model of the Italian courtyard was created, which became one of the first three-dimensional digital models of the museum of that time. In 2014, a project was launched to create a museum district of the Pushkin Museum. The project is difficult and complex, and in 2016, a special three-dimensional interactive application was developed to support the process of joint design of the museum, architects, builders, and other stakeholders. This same tool was very useful for curators in planning their future exhibitions in a three-dimensional space. The program part of this tool has been successfully developed many times for various purposes of the museum. Further on, the application has become a useful tool for teaching the museum business, both to professionals and interested students. In 2016, virtual reality technologies were introduced in the application, which allowed to raise the level of user immersion in the museum space. For the museum staff, the application has become a working tool. For visitors, interesting virtual museums in their home. For us, this project is a work that inspires us and gives us hope that virtual reality opens up new opportunities to make museums accessible and interesting for people around the world.
You